Hello Tech Geeks! Today we are going to explore which game engine is the easiest for beginners to learn, especially for those who don't have any prior programming experience. The first and simplest game engine we will discuss is GDevelop, which is available for PC users. And GDevelop doesn't require any programming skills and come with built-in assets, making it user-friendly for beginners. And however, one disadvantage is that it does not support 3D game development. However, GDevelop does require an internet connection to function properly. It is a lightweight software and an open source software, making it accessible and easy to use. The second engine on this list is the Godot engine. It is also open source and lightweight, with the added advantage of being available for smartphone users. Godot is one of my personal favorite because it supports 3D and 2D game development, and it requires knowledge of a programming language, but that is not a challenge because it uses a programming language called GDScript, which is similar to Python, and honestly it is very easy to learn and the community is incredibly supportive. The next engine is Unity 3D, which is very popular in the game development field. It was initially free, but it is now a paid engine, and Unity requires programming skills primarily in C++ and C#, and it is capable of creating high-end games, and many well-known titles have been built using this engine. And to use Unity effectively, you will need a PC with a medium specification. Last but not least is the Unreal Engine, which is considered the leader in the game development field. However, it requires a high-end PC and programming skills, particularly in C++. But the majority of successful titles are built using this engine. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Keep supporting me by subscribing to my channel.